Alright guys, welcome back to One on Adventures. Today we've got a bit of a different episode. So I'm known for a few things on this channel. One of them being buying perfectly good cars and breaking them. 2 is having a crippling Facebook Marketplace problem. And 3 is now RAV4s. I've literally got stopped a few days ago by someone who actually watches the channel and they didn't care at all about this thing. And I think this is a cool car because of the tray and the canopy and just different. But the only thing they wanted to talk about was the RAV, which is cool. But my RAV at the moment is broken and is elsewhere. I actually don't even have it. I haven't seen it for like 2 weeks. So I can't work on that. But I have a friend with a RAV4 who wanted to put a lift kit in. So we're gonna do today, we're gonna be putting a lift kit in, but it's not like a lift kit that I put in my car. It's a different one. So you get 2 different sorts. So on this episode, we're gonna see what one's easy to put in and what one is better to use. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. So let's pull the car in and see what we're doing.
Cards, new deck, new life. King of Cups, he comes up right. Always, all days, all nights. Sing do I, do I, do I. New cards, new deck, new life. King of Cups, he comes up right. Always.
These look fun.
They're chunky, eh?
They're good. They'll be good. All right, so this, my friends, this is, first of all, this is Bree Black. This is my homie. This, my friends, is a 1999 RAV4 that runs and dries with no problems at all. I don't think does it have any oil leaks?
A couple. They're not too bad.
Less than mine then.
It'll get to the next service, it's fine.
And it drives well and is in good condition. So basically everything that my RAV is not. But Bree here bought this car because she wanted to go do some, not really four-wheel drive, beach trips and have some fun and stuff. So we've got these, which are polyethylene spacers for your stock suspension. So it is a 2-inch lift. So you should get the same amount of lift as what a normal suspension kit that costs you, well, it cost me like $1,000 for my RAV. And honestly, it was probably the worst decision I made. They were terrible. So we're gonna see, A, how much quicker these are to put in, B, if they're better or worse than what mine are, and if they're worth it. So how much do these cost you?
$260?
$260 for a 2-inch lift. And by what I've done my research on, they look pretty easy to do. So yeah, we're gonna put a little timer on and see how long it's gonna take us to do. Because I reckon it's gonna take us 3 hours. The suspension I did on my RAV, when I first did it, took me 2 days.
Let's hope it doesn't take that long.
It was a bloody nightmare. So we're gonna do a quick little timer and we're gonna see how long it's gonna take us. And we get started. So I'm excited. I have a slight idea what to do.
I have no idea. So.
Probably one of them. Yeah. Let's jack the car out.
Whoa. Giant to a Maggie, big boss status. Ain't gon' lie, I really wish they would like a cabin. I ain't do no front and get my money on the back end. Yesterday's price ain't today, now we taxing.
Alright, so what I think, I actually haven't done much research on this, but I know enough. I think all we really have to do is take this bit off here, which will then drop this down. Well, I'll just take the wheels off because it's too heavy. And then we will just put the bushings in, change the tops, and that's it. Apparently. You will have to get a wheel limit done though after.
Yeah.
And you got big tires to put on, right?
Same size, just all trains. I know.
I'm selling my muddies.
$100.
Selling my muddies. Just saying, my muddies are there. They'll fit.
They'll fit.
They'll fit.
Full turn.
They'll
Yeah, that's
fit.
what I thought.
When do you ever really go full turn?
Every time. No, I don't know.
Always knew I had to glow. I just had to find a reason. Walking around looking like I own the place. Always no food, man. I always finish off the plate and contemplate. Just baby, can't believe we made it safe.
First one out. And what was that? Like
That was pretty quick.
15, 20 minutes. Sweet. So, the way that I think we do it, got new struts too.
I do.
Aftermarket, yeah.
There you go.
So these are the rears. And these are on top. So, look at these bad boys. And we gotta put the new bolts in there. which I have no idea how to do, but we'll do that.
We made away so hungry, think I overate every single shot. Then I'm thinking John Wick. Every loss got a lesson, every make got a miss. I can't even think of a man that had me terrified. We got options, pick your poison or just pick a
Cool. Alright, that was a bit more of a disaster than I thought it was going to be, but I got the struts back in with the extendable, so we had to take the whole bit off, compress it down, put it on, and re-put it on. Which is super fun, and I love doing things twice. So that's good. We're just going to tighten this back up, make sure it's tight. And we're going to put big yellow block on black item like that, and put it back in the car. Alright, so that was way harder than it needed to be. So it's on. We're gonna tighten these bag boys up here, but it's on. But what the instructions and stuff say you do online is it's easy and whatever. I had to use so many different tools and things to get it on. It was not easy. And to give you a comparison, 1 hour and 40 minutes for one. For one, all right? Which is still decent for a lift kit for someone who doesn't have a driveway or space or many tools, but 1 hour and 40 minutes for one. So, yeah, fuck you, Rhea. But I know for a fact the rears are easier because they're not struts, they're just springs, or they're separate spring struts. So it'll be easier. So I'm gonna smash this front one out, 1 hour and 40 minutes to try and beat that. All right, let's try and beat an hour and 40.
Nice.
Alright, time for that one. Alright. That one took 2 hours and 1 minute, so it took 20 minutes. It took under 20 minutes to finish that side, as that side took 1 hour and 40. That's ridiculous. But that's that one done. We're gonna keep getting the clock until we're the rear ones. But front ones are done. Let's chuck the front wheels on, reverse her back, and do the rear ones. Alright, so what I can tell from the rears is all we're going to be doing is putting this block up here where the spring goes. How to get that off, I'm not actually entirely sure if we have to take anything else off. I'm really hoping not. I can't even remember how I did it. So I remembered your limit is in your shocks. So you got to go in the cab, undo your shocks, and then let them drop down, and then this whole mechanism will drop down lower. That way, your springs come out, put those on, and then your dad's, your mum's, uncles, nephews, kids. Oh yeah! And the rear is lifted. That was easy, look at that. It actually looks cool too. The hardest thing was just getting that to line up, but that's in now and it's lifted, so it's mint. That's back on. And now Oh, whoa. Then we're just gonna smash it the other side, then we're gonna have a look at the whole car. Damn. That's actually crazy. Like, that's a significant difference. That's a lot.
Fucking.
That's good. That's like what you want though. For like, what, 250 bucks and a day's worth of work? Oh yeah, it's the timer. So in total for front and rear, under 3 hours. We didn't stop though, didn't have lunch or anything. Under 3 hours though. And the first one took us half that time. Like that's just
The learning curve.
The learning curve for when the first one took that long. But overall, you're gonna be stoked at that. That's gonna be good. But let's take it for a drive. Because I need a beer, so we're gonna get some beers.
Lunch.
We're gonna lunch and beers. So we're gonna get in the car and we're gonna discuss what I think if it's worth that one, if it's worth getting the Struts and combo or these. I'm gonna have a quick chat about it. Oh yeah, wow, there's a camera there. Crazy, who put that there? Whoa. That camera's not gonna stay there because I'm tripod on. But we're in the car. It's finally done. This is like, how long have you had them? 6 months? Wait.
I have.
No, the space is.
Oh yeah, I've had them a long time.
Had them for a while,
to be
but
honest.
it's finally done. And honestly, I'm surprised how much of a height difference it made. It feels taller now,
heaps.
and it looks better.
Taller.
Plus, we also got to put wheels and tires on it. So, and you definitely got to get a wheel alignment ASAP.
Yeah.
So get that wheel alignment and tires on same time, I recommend.
Yeah.
But we are going to put some photos up on the Instagram of it being done.
Yeah.
So she's going to send us when it's done. So make sure you follow me on Instagram to find that. But let's go for a wheel drive and see if it makes any bad noises. Because it will. With these, so it took us, like you said, under 3 hours to do it. The first one took us a bit longer. But, you know, all in all, I think the other one in my RAV took me about 2 days to do it, which sucked. But yeah, so if you want something nice and easy to install, you got going to the beach in, you're not going crazy off-roading, like you're in a RAV, so you probably won't. These will do just fine. But if you do want something a little bit better, I would recommend going for the
That side, front right.
It could be a wheel alignment issue.
Yeah.
Let me drive, you still the camera. Like I was saying, if you're gonna go out and go a bit more forward driving, get one, like an actual one. I think Tough Dog make one, full kit, really good. Don't get an eBay one because they're just not good. As well as if you want something that's gonna be good for the beach and a couple, maybe put some bigger tires on, these are fine, these are great. Make sure you do them right, because obviously we haven't with this noise that I'm hearing. But overall, 230 bucks, pretty good idea for a lift kit. Like in comparison, you are paying like $1,000 for a half decent one of these for an actual like springs, coils and everything. So have a look around, see what's best for you. But besides that, we're gonna go back and have a look at this noise. Hopefully it's nothing too dangerous, but we'll be back next week with another video. So peace out and have fun. Alright ladies, it's a few days after we filmed this video. I just want to let you all know that noise ended up being an issue with the wheel alignment. So we ended up getting the wheel alignment and it was all sweet. So if you guys are doing it, just make sure you get a wheel alignment done. But while you're here, listen to me, click this video because it's a banger and YouTube thinks you really like it, and make sure you like and subscribe. So that's all, catch ya.